Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another fashion video. You guys seem to be absolutely loving the fashion content. I too am loving the fashion content. Today I'm going to be styling some pieces that I picked up from Topshop, kindly sponsored by Topshop. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring today's video, and shout out to you guys as well. As I say always, none of the sponsors would be possible without you, so thank you so much. Okay, so I've got a couple of key pieces for autumn winter, and I wanted to create outfits around those key pieces. So I've got a hoodie, I've got a long form jacket, a short form jacket, 2 tops and 2 pairs of shoes. So I'm going to show you the outfits I created around them, and hopefully it should be really fun. It should give you guys a little bit of inspo. Judging by one of my last videos, I've noticed a lot of you guys aren't locked down. So in the UK we are still locked down. We are supposedly coming out of lockdown on the 2nd December, but I mean, this government is just vibes, so we shall see. We shall see when 2nd of December comes. So as usual, I've got the videos on my phone, so if you see me looking down, it's because I'm looking at my phone. I'm not being rude. I just need to see the outfits to talk about them. So let's start with a fave. This hoodie is so cute, it's so me. It's got this like interstellar print all over it. I got the biggest size, which is a large. Is this going to be thrown off the colouring again like it was doing last time? I hope not. So I got the biggest size, which is a large, and how I paired this is just on its own. The girlies are absolutely eating up the oversized hoodies and chunky boots. So that's exactly how I paired it. Oversized hoodie, chunky boots. You can also put tights on. If you don't want to do the whole bare leg, you can also do tights. I've seen a lot of people do tights, chunky hoodies and chunky boots. Oversized hoodies and boots. I also paired it with my khaki Jacquemus bag. My Jacquemus bag is absolutely stunning. I think the colour is so perfect for this time of the year. So I had to pair it with this. I love me a pair of Doc Martens, but of course I'm going to link down, I'm going to leave all of these items linked down below. And I'm also going to link like loads of different options for loads of different price like boots, different price bags, similar items, so you can really have a look. And then I did the puffer jacket. The puffer jacket is so on trend at the moment, and so are the chunky boots, and so is the oversized hoodie. So I really wanted to style that. And the Instagram girlies are really loving that one at the moment. A staple outfit to wear on a more casual, this is definitely more casual. I also did the same outfit, but instead of doing chunky boots, I did high or mid Jordan mids. I think the Jordans definitely give it more a way more casual vibe. Obviously the boots are casual, but if you want casual and comfort, I would say Jordans tend to be more comfortable than chunky boots. Well, the Doc Marten boots are very heavy. I love the way the outfit looks. I love the oversized hoodie. If you wanted to do it and dress up for the evening, which I actually didn't do, which I should have done, I would put a blazer over top and then wear like strappy heels. So the blazer kind of gives the outfit a little bit more shape, because the hoodie tends to be super oversized. Next up we have the crop jacket. I feel like the crop fur trim jacket, I can't hold it up too close, but I'm gonna show you, not crop, but it's actually a normal length. I got this in a UK 10. I love this. This is so stunning. This I paired with just leggings, a high neck crop top, and some Chuck Taylors. I opted for the leopard print Chuck Taylors because I wanted to add a little bit of like fun to the outfit, so it just wasn't all black. And then of course I had like my Prada crossbody, neat put together outfit. Really great fun for layering. So if I didn't wear the high neck crop top, I could have also worn like a long sleeve top and then finish off with a massive scarf if it was a particularly chilly day. I tend to get really cold in my face and my extremities, so my fingers and my toes. So with an outfit like that, I could also finish off with a big scarf around my face. But I really love this. I got a 10, it fits really nicely. I love that it has a belt so you can cinch and cinch. You guys know I love a good cincher. It cinches your waist and gives you nice shape. And yeah, I really like that outfit actually. Another more casual one, but you could also, if you wanted to dress it up, you could wear it with like boots. I didn't wear boots, but you could of course wear like heeled ankle boots, or you could wear heels. You could definitely make that an evening one. Would actually be a really cute day outfit if you wore it with latex skirt instead of wearing it with leggings. Next we've got this oversized jacket. This jacket, can I just say, I got it in a 10. And it really is like so lush. I paired this with 2 different styles for this video. So the first is, listen, anyone that knows me, I love white joggers and I love white crop tops. So that is basically what I live in. Joggers and crop tops is my uniform. That is pretty much what I'm always in. And the Crocs had to make an appearance because I love Crocs. I love Crocs a lot. So I've got the joggers and the crop top, which is my kind of uniform. And then this, boom, goes over top. So any kind of outfit, so even if I did like a crop jumper and joggers, this would go over top. This jacket is stunning. I love as well, it has pockets, nice big pockets. I really love the fur detailing, as in I love where the details are, like the the lining. It just makes a lot of sense. I know that sounds really, really random, but it just looks really, really nice, really put together. This would also come in so handy on nights out where you've got a little itty bitty skirt or itty bitty dress on and you just want a nice large jacket to keep you warm. I also envision it for this. I call this the running errands. Joggers, crop top, Crocs, face mask. That is my running errands outfit. And it just changes. So maybe I'll wear black joggers tomorrow, or grey joggers, or white joggers and a white crop top. That is just it in rotation. That's pretty much what I live in these days. That's the first one. The second outfit, if I was actually going somewhere that required me to not be in joggers, which there's only very few places I would go not in joggers, I decided to switch up and wear this asymmetric ripped jean with the crop top. Crop tops for me are year round. They are year round. If I wanted to add a bit of layering, I would put on and I didn't actually do this for this video, I would put on a farmer shirt, a plaid shirt, a farmer shirt or plaid shirt to add some layering, because I could just button that up if I got a little bit chilly. And again, a scarf. And I'm not wearing shoes here, but I would wear it with Jordans. Jordans would be my shoe of choice for that outfit. This white crop top, let me take it off the hanger. This again is just this is like a jogger's top. I would wear this with joggers, I'd wear this with, it's just an everyday basic white vest, which you can't really see because it's so overexposed, but yeah, just an everyday basic white vest. I love the fitting. I like to get these in a 6. They just fit really well. They're very easy. You can put them on with jeans, you can put them on with joggers, leggings, under hoodies, under jumpers, anything. It's just one of those everyday pieces that you need. If you don't have, you need. Like these crop tops, you just need them. Shoes. Okay, let's start with, I've only got 2 pairs to be fair. These sock boots. I mentioned sock boots in one of my last videos. So, they look flipping long. They look very, very long. These are a UK 6. Why are they so long? Long foot girl. Anyway, it's a square toe at the front, and then it's got this like chunky heel detail. The white, and actually when you zip it up, it fits snug on. I have very slim, like lower legs. Is that, would you say that was calf? No, below the calf, like between the calf and the ankle, that area on me is very slim. So I like that when you zip this up, it actually fits very nicely. I love that. Oh yeah, I really like this outfit. I just paired it with an oversized top. Oversized. And again, you could do the like cute tights vibe that the girlies have been doing. You can do like sheer tights with little patterns on them. The girlies have really been eating that up. I did the bare leg thing because you know me, I love a bare leg. And then I just paired it with my Jackmas bag again. That Jackmas bag actually has like a good amount of space in it, so it does come in quite handy. And literally any oversized top, the cute little tights, these sock boots, cute. Or you could do it with the hoodie thing, the hoodie vibe again. You could also do that. Yeah, I love, love, love. I tried to pick stuff that was like on trend. The sock boots are very on trend. These are very on trend, very Bottega inspired. I told you the Bottega effect is strong this year. Again with the square toe. These I paired with just a dress. I just paired this with a long dress, long sleeve dress. That's probably the most weather appropriate thing in this whole haul. Long sleeve dress. It's like this thick knitted fabric. I'll leave similar because this is from like a random boutique so many years ago. But I'll leave similar, and then I've got my YSL Sac de Jour Nano. Really clean, pretty evening look. You could definitely wear it with like the jean and oversized white shirt vibe, and I feel like I really rinse out the jean and oversized shirt vibe, so I didn't want to come and do another jean and oversized shirt, but you can definitely do it for that oversized shirt. And then just these, I don't mind getting my legs out. Lastly, paired with really baggy white joggers. That is what I paired it with, and it's a long form top, but in the cutout I cropped it myself. But I love this because it's essentially 2 tops, so you could wear the vest on its own, or you can wear like this on its own. But it's like you purchase it as one, but you can also have them in 2 separate components, which I thought was really, really cool. And that is everything I picked up from Topshop. That is how I would style the pieces. Did you guys love today's video? Do you like the styling vibe? I think styling videos, I like watching styling videos because I don't always know what to pair what with. So when I see someone like pair something, I'm like, I wouldn't have thought to put those 2 together, but now that you have shown me, I know the way. Oh, don't mind the discrepancies in colours of my face and my chest. Don't mind that. I hope you guys loved today's video. Please let me know your thoughts down below. Which is your favorite piece? I think my favorite outfit is definitely the sock boot with the oversized tee. I think that's me to a T. Like casual with a hint of fancy. That's me. Casual with a hint of fancy. Let me know your favorite, guys. What did you think down below? I will leave everything linked along with different options I'll try and leave different pricing options as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.